baby, my lady. Mon chéri, viens ici.
Okay. It's Dexon, baby. It's Dex. Fresh. Yeah. Life story. Yo, I be burning in flames. I be switching in dust. The names you read on the days. But I feel like every day where to be.
Hey, get off my way.
Yo, first is this. I be going as a youth. I'm getting the old. I don't know where I'm going. I think I'm going to heaven, but I don't know sure. I don't know where I'm going, but I believe I'm going to heaven. This day is first. I believe in my Christ. Don't know what I'm gonna do, but I keeping it fresh. These days, yeah. These days, yeah. My brotherhood, my gang. Everybody smoking weed. Don't know what I'm gonna do. Think I'm drowning. This is the pain of my soul. Think I'm drowning. This is the pain of my soul. I think I'm drowning. Everywhere I go, lot of people in weed. Everywhere I go, I be trying to preach. Everywhere I go, lot of people in drugs. Everywhere I go, I think I'm new in person. They calling me Dex on him. Coming to preach at this stage, I'm holy. I'm getting the vibe. These days I'm walking. I'm reading the Bible. My friends, my gang, everybody think I'm drowning. They think I'm tripping because I'm doing the things I don't know before. Think I'm going down, but I think I'm going the right way. I don't want to know people on these days. I'm feeling the vibe. I'm feeling the vibe. I'm feeling the vibe. I'm feeling the vibe. This is the pain of my soul. I'm born again. This is the pain of my soul. I'm born again. This is the pain of my soul. I'm born again. This is the pain of my soul. Yeah. I'm trying to save the world. I'm trying to save my friends. I'm trying to save everybody could be in it. Yeah, the pain of my soul. The pain of my soul. Try to chase the evil way. Every time I try, I feel I'm drowning. Every time I get back, it's like I'm owning. Every time I try this, I'm holy. Every time I try this, I'm bringing it back. The pain in my soul. I'm bringing it back.
Hey!
The pain in my soul.
That's my spot.
I'm sorry. I didn't know.
Keep it. You need it more than me.
Oh baby, my lady. Mon chéri, viens ici. Oh baby, my lady. Mon chéri, viens ici.
Clear road at the rush.
Clear road at the rush.
Purgatory from the source.
Purgatory from the source.
Music be my walk.
Music be my walk.
Now from God no be my fault.
Now from God no be my fault.
Tick tock like a clock.
Tick tock like a clock.
If you like jump like a frog.
If you like jump like a frog.
Busy waiting at the door.
Ulikuwa na makopa. Kwa nini unadhani sikuona ukichemba mpaka Mahalina? Kuna mpaka ndio ulikuwa na za Mahalina.
Unauza 40 bob za mimi.
Ati 40 bob.
Wewe nini wewe?
Nini wewe? Nini unaniambia nini hapo? Utoa hata ule wako hapo hiyo tunaenda hapo. Wewe hata huo hata Kenya kona yako. Fara yako hata kuna Kenya kona yako. Oya, chukua hata hizo pesa zako. Angukiana wewe. Nani uko?
very much sorry.
Thank you.
Where were you going? Along with these stupid people. They're so stupid.
Thank
Let's
you.
go. So stupid people.
I was just a girl with dreams so wide. Before the storm came, before my tears dried, in a house full of love. Well, or so it seemed. But the nights turned dark and I stopped being seen. Mom and Dad's voices would clash. In the stillness of night, there'd be a crash. I would close my eyes, hoping it would end. But the shouting came again and again. One night, too quiet, too cold, too long, I heard a sound that didn't belong. Dad fell silent, forever asleep. Mom, she stood trembling, no words to speak. The sirens came, bright lights at the door. They took her away. I was sure I'd see her no more. Left alone with nothing to hold. A heart so young, now feeling so old. The streets became my only friend. No place to stay, not even a lending hand. The faces pass, they don't even see me. Just a shadow, lost in a city sea. I wonder if Mom thinks of me still, as I walk the streets with an empty wheel. But I will survive, as I always do. Though broken, lost, I will push through. This world is cruel. Hell, it swallowed me whole. But I won't let it take my soul. For somehow, there is hope.
come here. You want? Shika, come here. I've a chunga here for you, Cynthia.
Yes.
No, come. I'm tired. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come here.
What? Yes.
You have a chunga here. Come.
Yes.
Have, get one. No, Carl. No. Come. Get one. Tell me I'm eating yours. I'm eating yours. I'm eating.
Hey. We meet again. Are you okay? You must be hungry. Come on. Let's go find something to eat. Come. Let's go this way. You'll find it over there. Before all this, how did you end up here?
Are you sure you wanna know?
Yes, I mean, we all got stories. You can keep it if you want. I'm here. I'll listen.
My mom, she wasn't like this before. She tried, you know. But my dad, he would get drunk, violent, really violent.
And what happened?
One day, I heard them screaming in the kitchen, fighting. This was worse than before. Breaking glasses, throwing things. I knew he was hurting her again. And I just sat there, frozen, scared. I didn't know what to do. I went downstairs, saw them fighting. He was hitting her. She took something. Trying to defend herself. She swung it. A vase or something. I can't remember. It happened so fast. She hit him so hard. He fell down, hit his head on the counter. He wasn't moving. She She didn't mean to kill him, I know. But the police, they didn't even care. They came and arrested her. They left me all alone. I was all alone with no one. They said I was going to a foster home, but I wasn't okay with that. So I ran away. That is how I ended up here. Surviving, I guess.
I'm really sorry, Casey. I'm sorry.
It is what it is. We keep moving.
Yeah. Keep moving.
Oh baby, my lady. Mon chéri, viens ici. Oh baby, my lady. Mon chéri, viens ici.
Clear road at the rush.
Clear road at the rush.
Bagatory from the source.
Bagatory from the source.
Music be my walk.
Music be my walk.
Now from God no be my fault.
Now from God no be my fault.
Tick tock like a clock.
Tick tock like a clock.
I jump like a frog.
If you like jump like a frog.
Easy witty at the top.
Easy witty at the
Casey, look. There is a big bottle in that compound over there.
Charlie, don't even think about it.
But it's right there. We can get extra money from that one.
No, Charlie. That's a private property. We don't go in there.
Why not? It's just one bottle. And no one's gonna miss it.
It's not about the bottle. It's about respect. We only take what is thrown away. We don't take what belongs to someone else.
But it's just one bottle.
I know it's hard. But if you start taking what isn't ours, where does it end? Today is a bottle, tomorrow is something bigger. And then we are not better than thieves.
I don't get it why it's such a big deal.
Trust me, Charlie, we will get more than that. Come on, let's go.
Fine. Casey, the sun is too hot. Let's go find a shade and we take a rest.
Okay. Have you ever lost someone out here? My brother. Tommy. He was a couple of years younger than me. We ran away together. We thought we could handle it. thought it could be better on our own than at home.
And what happened?
It was cold. One of those days that cold cuts through everything, you know? We didn't have anywhere to go. Just bouncing between shelters and alleyways. We were always looking for places that we felt was safe. You get sick, really sick, but there was no hospital for people like us. We tried, but they keep turning us away. Said he wasn't serious, just needed rest. But I knew something was wrong. One night, we found this spot behind an old shop. It was out of wind. We thought we could get through night. I wrapped him with everything we had just to keep him warm. But when I woke up, he was gone. He didn't even say goodbye. He just slimmed when I was asleep. I should have done more. I should have stayed awake. I don't know. Or maybe, if I would have stayed awake, he would still be here.
Casey, you are still a kid. You still are.
Doesn't matter. He's gone, and I'm still here. What kind of sister does that make me?
You did everything you could, Casey. Out here, sometimes it just happens.
It's just, without him, I feel like I'm drifting. There's no reason to move, you know.
Keep going, Casey, for him. For both of you.
Okay. This Dex on baby. It's Dex. Fresh. Yeah. Ooh. Life story. Yo, I be burning in flames. I be switching in dust. My name is written the days. But I feel like every day what a beat. Okay. Yo, first thing first is this. I be going as a youth. I'm getting the old. I don't know where I'm going. I think I'm going to heaven, but I don't know sure. I don't know where I'm going, but I believe I'm going to heaven. This day is first. I believe I'm a Christ. Don't know what I'm gonna do, but I keeping it fresh. These days, yeah. These days, yeah. My brotherhood, my gang. Everybody smoking weed. Don't know what I'm gonna do. Think I'm drowning. This is the pain of my soul. Think I'm drowning. This is the pain of my soul. I think I'm drowning. Everywhere I go, lot of people in weed. Everywhere I go, I be trying to preach. Everywhere I go, lot of people in drugs. Everywhere I go, I think I'm new in person. They calling me Dex on it. Coming to preach at this stage, I'm holy. I'm getting the vibe. These days I'm walking. I'm reading the Bible. My friends, my gang, everybody think I'm drowning. They think I'm tripping because I'm doing the things I don't know before. Think I'm going down, but I think I'm going the right way. I don't want to know people in these days. I'm feeling the vibe. I'm feeling the vibe. I'm feeling the vibe. I'm feeling the vibe. This is the pain of my soul. I'm born again. This is the pain of my soul. I'm born again. This is the pain of my soul. I'm born again. This is the pain of my soul. Yeah. I'm trying to save the world. I'm trying to save my friends. I'm trying to save everybody. Everybody could be in it. Yeah. The pain of my soul. The pain of my soul. Try to chase the evil way. Every time I try, I feel I'm drowning.
Hey boss.
Every time I get back,
Have you seen Casey?
Casey? Who is Casey?
The girl that normally comes here. Actually, I was with her yesterday.
I haven't seen her.
Where could she be? It's okay. Thank you.
Hey bro, what about that bread?
I had bought for her. But thank you.
Okay. It's Dex on baby. Steaks. Fresh. Yeah. Ooh. Life story. Yo, I be burning in flames. I be switching in dust. My name is read on the days. But I feel like every day what I be. Okay. Yo, first thing first is this. I be going as a youth. I'm getting the old. I don't know where I'm going. I think I'm going to heaven, but I don't know sure. I don't know where I'm going, but I believe I'm going to heaven. This day is first. I believe I'm a Christ. Don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm keeping it fresh. These days, yeah. These days, yeah. My brotherhood, my gang. Everybody smoking weed. Don't know what I'm gonna do. Think I'm drowning. This is the pain of my soul.
Hi.
Think I'm
I want two
drowning.
bananas.
This is the pain of my soul.
How much? No, keep change. Sure. Yeah. Thought you might need these. You've been out here for long. It feels like forever. There's a shelter a few blocks from here. They can help you get back to your feet if interested.
Remind me your name again.
I'm Casey.
Oh, Casey. So this is our shelter. So we'll walk in. I'll show you where you'll sleep. And then I'll get you some new clothes so that you can take a shower and change. Is that okay?
Okay, thank you.
I never thought one moment could change everything. I was just another boy on these streets, going through the motions. And then I saw her. She was not like the others. There was something in her eyes, something that made the whole world stop. It felt like we shared a secret that no one else could see, even though we barely speak. I don't even remember what we said. Just a smile, her laughter, and then she was just gone. Now I keep walking these streets, looking for her, hoping I will catch a glimpse of that face again. Why did it have to happen like this? Why did she have to come into my life if she was just gonna disappear? Was it love? I don't know. But I feel empty without her. Every corner I turn, I hope she'll be there, but she's not. And it's like a piece of me is missing. Why did she cross my path only to leave me chasing a shadow? Why does love do this? It's cruel, so cruel.
Oh baby, my lady, my chérie, viens ici. Oh baby, my lady, my chérie, viens ici. Clear road that they rush. Bagatory from the source.
Hey, young girl. Can I help you?
I saw the sign. I'm looking for work.
Have you ever done any table waiting before?
No, but I can learn. I will work hard.
Do not let me regret. You start work tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
My chérie, viens ici. Oh baby, my lady. My chérie, viens ici.
Good afternoon, miss. Hello. Hi. Welcome to 112 Cafe. What may I serve you?
I think I'll have some beef stew and fries. Do you have that?
Yes, we do. Okay.
Clear road that they run.
Good morning, ma'am.
Oh my god, it's you.
Yes, it's me, ma'am. You're welcome.
You mean you got your job here?
All thanks to you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Wow.
Please, what may I offer you?
I just want coffee. Okay. And you can take anything you want.
Ah, that's too much, ma'am. But thank you. Thank you very much, ma'am. Right away. Thank you. You're welcome.
Ẹyẹ parọ́ wà ní rock. Olúmọ on top. Ta ló sọ pé àgọ́ flop? Oh baby, my lady. My chérie, viens ici. Bring your spot, Chiwechi. I'll make you sing melody. In the mirror, you say born. Everybody must be born. Why does I be born? Tell me why you be born. Splitting up like a fall. Tell me everything's born. In the
Young lady, you are doing a good job.
Thank you, sir. Welcome, sir.
And there is something that I want to ask you to talk about. Can you ever sit?
Okay, sir, no problem.
Have a seat. I have noted your commitment to your job.
Thank you, sir.
The effort and dedication that you put to your job. I've got a big hotel. I'm planning to take you there. To transfer you to that big hotel.
Sir.
Sit down. Yes, sit down. No,
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you,
please,
sir.
please sit down. Sit down.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, sir. It's okay. Get seated.
Thank you, sir.
Get seated. Just get seated. And this time around, not as a waiter, but as a supervisor.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Get seated. Get seated.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I'm
Okay, okay,
grateful.
get seated.
Thank you very much, sir. May God bless you. Thank you, sir.
And I hope you'll put the same strength and vigor in that job.
Thank you, sir. Thank
I
you
trust
very
you.
much. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Continue.
Thank you, sir.
Stacks on the baby.
In the night, in the light, we both know that everything will be, but devil will be the devil, and the day will always change, like the way the sun and the moon do. So hold on firm to the last beat, that's so right. You know, baby, miss you more than the light misses their life. Want you by my side now. I know that you're hurting, but give me one chance to show you how much I can be more than enough in your life. So give me this chance, I don't wanna make it worse. This time I just
dada yako madamu
Nini wa?
anakuja kutusumbua bana.
Na huko hata
Peleka
kutusumbua
huko,
wewe.
dada yako.
Toka hapa.
Peleka mbele mbele.
Hello.
Hello,
I'm looking for one Mr. Charlie.
Charlie. Oh, Charlie. Charlie was shot.
What?
Actually, we buried him like 2 months ago.
No. I mean, he used to be my friend, like...
Yeah, I'm very sure.
Oh my God. Are you sure you know Charlie? No, he can't be dead. It can't be Ray, no. He's not dead. Not now that I want to give him a good life. No.
Sasa kwani umemwambia Charlie alikufa bana?
Huyo mamsa anatusumbua, wacha aishie bana.
Ai, hapo ukufanya fiti Muriami. Hujamwambia bi.
satisfaction, baby.
In the night, in the light, we both know that everything will be, but devil will be the devil, and the day will always change, like the rain, the sun, and the moon do. So hold on firm to the last, be there so right.